Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to private your Twitter X account. Friends, due to any reason, if you don't want your post on Twitter are viewable to all, then you can private your Twitter account. So to private your Twitter account, you simply need to open app. Now here you need to press on home button. Now press on the profile icon on the top left side of the screen. Now here you need to press on setting and support. Now press on settings and privacy. Here you need to press on privacy and safety. Now press on the first option, audience and tagging. Now here you need to enable the first option to protect your post. Now you have private your Twitter account and all the posts in your Twitter account are only viewable to your followers. So friends, like this you can very easily private your Twitter X account. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.